What is up, everybody, and welcome to Late Laundry. This is a horror game where we have to do our laundry late, obviously. I don't really know much else other than that. But before we do get into it, I just want to quickly say thank you all so much for 50 subscribers. It means the absolute world to me. We're going to be uploading every day, doing daily horror content. So if you love horror content, then you'll love my channel. We're trying to hit 1K at the end of the year. But anyways, let's get right on the video. Oh, I'm going to watch or something. That's clever. Here we are. Okay. Title card, I guess. 24 hours. What is with... It's laundry time. Hello? Anybody there? Do I interact or employees only? Hello? Wrong game, what? Oh. Dang it, I forgot my cleaner juice. Maybe I can get one here. Hello? No one seems to be around. Oh, I'm an employee now. Okay, then tell me what... I sure hope the cleaner juice that we need isn't behind the bloody door. Time to close up and start it. Yippee. What? Is nobody gonna mention? What? Great. Where am I supposed to get a working fuse? Oh god, it's inside now. I knew it. That thing wasn't there before. Oh. Thanks, man. Bro turned out to be actually chill. Cool. Now the switch. What switch? Flip the switch. What switch? Oh. Much better. Need to start the machine again. I must swerve around the corner. Whoa, whoa. Mysterious entity low-key clutching out, bro. Jesus. What was that sound? Did I close the door right as that happened? We ain't gonna go investigate. We're gonna chill here. Okay, I'm letting my whiteness get the better of me. Let's go investigate. Ooh, scary cleaner. Oh, dang. No more fuse box for me or the mysterious murderer who's killing people. I would like to know what's under the shelves. Why? I could crawl under... There's a crow. Good to know that this is here. Pick it up, my guy. Laundry. What was that? Game just started geeking. Are those? Man, not my clothes. Man, I thought you were chill. Okay, I really need to get out of here. To my car. Yeah, I don't know if you noticed, buddy, but there's a, you know, giant demon with our... Wait, did he take our clothes? Oh! Run! Whoa! You're stupid, buddy. I literally just ran right into him. Need help? Oh, dang it. He took my clothes. Run. Run. Woo. We chilling. You could say we're in... Dude. What? Bro, we just bodied that thing. All it took was just one hit from the car and it was dead? Man, we could have taken that thing out with the crowbar. That was actually good. That was funny. I like that. It was short, but... I don't know, that's so funny to me. I wonder if there... Wait, we can play from checkpoint. Is there multiple endings?
자, 어찌되었던 근데 이거 엔딩 있지 않나? 진엔딩 비슷한 거? 쪽지 3개 모으는 걸 해.
Alright, everybody, I went and looked at some Taiwan Chinese guy's video. I have no idea what language that was in, but there is not a second ending, I don't think, but we are gonna head back in here real quick we're gonna grab... Okay, so we're gonna die to the monster, because that's the only thing I think we haven't seen, and then... we chillin'. Man, not my clothes. Yeah, sure. Alright, so go down here. Alright, we're gonna go back. Face me, demon. What are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? He just smacks us and then eats us? Okay. Alright, everybody, that's going to do it for Late Laundry. I do hope you very, very much enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to smash like, smash subscribe. We will be uploading horror content every day. So make sure, while of course you're down there subscribing, because I know how much you love content, make sure you hit that little bell so you don't miss another upload ever again. But anyways, everybody, that's going to do it. And I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.